Hello, welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the 5 high-protein oats breakfast smoothie recipes. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Among all of the factors that affect the overall health of all human beings, diet plays the most important role. Diet is the key to having both mental and physical health. In between all the meals in a day, it has been strongly suggested by experts for years to have a nutritious breakfast to have a healthy body. If you start your day with a healthy and efficient breakfast, it will keep you fresh and full all day long. The benefits of eating breakfast are numerous, such as it encourages you to eat healthier because it keeps your stomach full and prevents overeating. It balances your blood sugar. The reason is having breakfast in the morning makes the body work more, which can cause better breakdown in glucose amount. It also boosts your metabolism and many other benefits. In today's video, we are going to be sharing with you 5 oat smoothie recipes that are rich in vitamins and protein as well as have an efficient amount of calories. So, stay tuned. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Even if you are on a diet, do not skip breakfast ever, because it gives your body the message of starving, and it starts to conserve and avoid burning calories. Having breakfast can increase your energy. For those who have to do the physical activity, it is necessary to have a high-quality healthy breakfast to energize their body. Also, for those who have to do mental activity, breakfast can have a great influence of brain working. And at last, about benefits for hearts, as it decreases blood sugar and increases metabolism, it supports your heart from diseases like blood pressure. Number 5. Peanut Butter Oatmeal Smoothie. This peanut butter oatmeal smoothie is loaded with protein. One serving packs in 14.7 grams of protein and 4.7 grams of fiber, making this a simple, yet filling, smoothie. Here's where all that protein comes from. Half cup of soy milk. 2 tablespoons peanut butter. 1 whole banana. 1/4 cup old-fashioned oats. To make the smoothie, simply add all of the ingredients to a blender, blend for 30 seconds or until smooth, and stir. Blend again for another 30 seconds to 60 seconds after stirring to ensure there are no chunks. Pour into a glass or a bowl, and garnish with banana slices, peanut butter drizzle, and oats if desired. Serve immediately or place in the refrigerator until ready to eat. You can also double or triple the recipe to have extras on hand for the week. This oat smoothie is a great choice for those who want to lose weight or manage their weight because it is full of fiber and protein, and will keep you full for hours. It also has omega-3, which makes it a healthy breakfast for people who work, and those who are mentally active in the morning. It does not contain any added sugar or dairy milk. This is the high fiber that helps to keep you feeling fuller till lunchtime. Number 4. Oat and Strawberry Smoothie. Smoothies have many varieties. You can make them with anything you want. The second recipe we are going to be sharing with you is a combination of oat and strawberry. If you want to lose weight, you should use honey to add a sweet taste to it. And if you want to gain weight, you can add ice cream. It's up to you and your diet. To make this smoothie, you need 14 strawberries, half cup of oat, 1 glass of milk, 1 banana, 1 tablespoon of honey, and vanilla if you like its taste. You should put your strawberries in the freezer for 1 hour and let them get frozen. Rinse the oats and put them on the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Now, you should blend strawberries, oats, and milk. Then you should add bananas to your smoothie. You can put both banana and strawberries on the top of your smoothie to make it beautiful and yummy. This smoothie could be a perfect meal for breakfast because it has sufficient amounts of calories, fiber, vitamins, and healthy energy that will keep you fresh all day long. Number 3. Blueberry Oat Smoothie. According to some research, eating a moderate number of blueberries on a regular basis may be linked to a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease and type 2 diabetes. There's even some evidence that they may help with weight management. Anthocyanins, a type of flavonoids found in blueberries, are a key component for their many health benefits. Ingredients you need to make this wonderful breakfast smoothie are 1 cup blueberries, 1 handful of spinach, half cup of oat, half cup plain regular or non-dairy yogurt, 1 cup regular or non-dairy milk, half banana. Blend together until smooth. If you're looking for a thicker consistency, add a few ice cubes before blending, or you can put the blueberries and spinach in the freezer and blend them when they are still frozen. Number 2. Raspberry, avocado and oat smoothie. Like soft tofu, avocado blends really well into smoothies, adding a lot of creaminess but not an overwhelming taste. Avocados are also a natural source of fiber and healthy fats, which may help reduce cardiovascular disease risk in some people. Raspberries are another source of anthocyanins, and coconut water provides a slightly tropical flavor without a lot of sugar. Adding yogurt to smoothies is a great way to boost their protein content and creaminess. Ingredients you need are 1 avocado, peeled and pitted, half cup of oat, 3/4 cup coconut water, half cup raspberries, half cup regular or non-dairy yogurt. As you know, you should blend all these ingredients together. Number 1. Mango, papaya and oat smoothie. The National Institutes of Health list mangoes, along with cantaloupes and apricots, as a good source of vitamin A. Vitamin A is extremely beneficial for vision and immune function. Papaya is rich in vitamin C and fiber and may even have hypoglycemic potential, meaning that some of its key bioactive compounds may help promote glucose uptake in the body, which can help with blood sugar management. If you're looking for a sweet, tropical smoothie, this recipe is for you. Ingredients you need to make this amazing breakfast are 1 mango, peeled and pitted, half cup of oat, half papaya, peeled and seeded, 1 handful of spinach, 2 cups plain regular or non-dairy yogurt, 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. Blend together until smooth. If you're looking for a thicker consistency, add a few ice cubes before blending. If you live with a blood sugar issue, it's always best to speak with your doctor or dietitian about the right amount of fruit for you. If you're just starting to incorporate more smoothies, you may notice that the influx of fiber affects your digestion a bit. Give it a week or so to equalize. If you're still having digestion issues, it's best to talk with your doctor to make sure you're not dealing with an allergy. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.